What's up, guys? Mark here from Off-Road Veterans. Got a little project going on today. Figured I'd film a little bit of it as I go along with it. We are putting, let me walk over to it, Warhead off-road tree kickers onto the 21 Talon. I've never done anything like this before. Should be fairly easy. Of course, they weigh about 50 pounds a piece. So I'll film some of it along the way, show you some of the troubles I'm running into and how I solved them and stuff. It shouldn't take but a couple hours. I'm gonna get off of here and get back on it then. All right, looks like the first thing we gotta do is remove seven 5mm Allen bolts and 2 push pins off this rocker guard right here. Then we have to take the first and second portion of the skid plate off so we can get behind the mounting holes when we put the kickers on. So I'm gonna get started on this, and when I get it done, we'll move on to the next section. Oh, that's no good. Oh my goddamn. Okay, we got the first rocker off. I figured it would take 3-4 minutes to zip out the 5mm bolts and the push pins. Ha! If you're gonna do this on your own, be ready for unexpected shit. First 3 5mm stripped out. Actually, they all stripped out instantly. I was like, what the hell? This one still broke off. I gotta get it out here in a minute with the vice grips, but yeah, be prepared for that. I wasn't expecting it. Finally got it off. Up here in the front, there's like 4 or 5 push pins along in through here. There, I didn't expect to have to take out. Those gotta come out too before that piece will come out. It's over there. And also, if you decide to do this, and if you don't have the like the mud busters guard back here, the mud guard to keep the mud out, this is what happens. Look at this. Oh my god. And I've got to clean all this out before I can even get to the rest of what I have to do. Look at all this crap. Alright, I'm just letting everybody know some of the crap I'm running into. If you decide to do this yourself on a Talon X4. I'm going to do the skid plates next, and I'll give you an update on that in a minute. Well, we got the passenger side on, and I'll tell you what, you talk about a pain in the ass. It looks good. It doesn't help them. A lot of bolts are stripped or bent, and the hardest part of putting this one on is 4 that go in the middle here. And I can only get, well, I did get 4, but I can only get nuts on 3 of them. It's a very, very tight squeeze, but this one has the integrated skid plate on the bottom, so it makes it really tough to get that middle one on there. I also want to say that this installation is brought to you today by Culture, and also I want to promote a place called Stars and Stripes down in Louisa, Kentucky. Wanda and I spent an evening there last week, and really great place, really great people, really good food. All veteran themed and veteran owned also. All right, I'm gonna get this side buttoned up and hit the other side. Well, I finally got it done. Took me right at 7 hours to do it. And a lot of that was caused by the the bolts stripping out and having to deal with that. And then trying to line it up by myself and everything. But I think it looks awesome, man. We was needing something to protect these rockers, and couldn't ask for a better set of kickers. Gotta give a shout out to Dink and Jessica Davis from Lansing OGs, our sister group up in West Virginia. We bought these off of them. It's after I got the first side done, this side here didn't take nearly as long. I didn't strip hardly anything out on this side either, but the biggest part is just trying to line everything up because it's so heavy by yourself, and 2 people would make it a whole lot easier. Got about 10 pounds of dirt from the damn skid plates. I also learned that I don't have to take the skid plates completely off. Only if you want to. You just take off enough bolts on the side you're working on, let it droop down, and you can get your hand up behind it the mounting points to secure the nuts and stuff. But I think it looks really good. I'm kind of proud of myself for doing this. I'm flat beat. I'm getting ready to go take a shower, get all this dirt and shit off of me. But look up Warhead Offroad. They're out of West Virginia also. They look like an excellent product. Excellent product. I mean, these things are stout. All right, guys. That's it for this install. Have no idea what's next. Well, I'm broke now, so we'll catch you on the flip. Out.